Hello everyone. I am continuing the series of nervous system. In this video, I will discuss about nose. As you know that nose is your sense organ. So what is function of nose? We breathe and smell through our nose. Special nerves cells are present at the upper part of the nose. When we smell something, the gas particle reach these nerve cells and they send special smell message to the brain. The brain helps us to identify the object even if we don't see the object. Sometimes you feel that your mother is cooking food in the kitchen and you are studying or watching television. But aroma of that food is coming to your nose and you can identify that what your mother is preparing for you. So how it is possible? Because your mother is preparing food in the kitchen and you are just sitting in your drawing room or your study room. So this can be possible with the help of your nose only. So whenever anything means gas particles reaches to your nerves present in your eyes, then this smell message reaches to the brain and brain in reply tell you that which smell is this. So in this way you are able to identify the aroma of that food or name of that food. Here we will discuss the structure of nose. You can see here this is diagram of your nose and nose whatever part we are watching which is just present on the face, that is nose, and inside the nose there is nasal cavity. जो whatever hole is present in your nose, that is called as nasal cavity, and inside the nasal cavity at the end nasopharynx are present, and here only some small smell cells are present which help you to get an idea about the food what is preparing by your mother. So as it is very important part, so we should take care of our nose also. So how can we take care of our nose? Number one, never blow your nose hard. Do not pick your nose. Avoid breathing through your mouth. These are three precautions we can take to take care of our nose. Now the next is tongue. Tongue is also a sense organ and our tongue helps us to in speaking and eating. It is covered with 2000 to 8000 taste buds which end with nerve ending. So how many taste buds are there? Means 2000 to 8000 taste buds are present on our tongue. These taste buds receives the taste and send the messages to the brain, and our brain in return helps in detecting four tastes: salty, sweet, bitter and sour. Here is diagram of human tongue. In first diagram you can see this is a big tongue, and after that papilla which is present inside the skin of tongue, and taste buds are present, and small microvilli and taste pores are present in taste bud. Actually it is in detailed diagram given. It is the diagram of taste bud. So in taste, one single taste bud, taste pore and microvilli are present. So these all about the human tongue. So how can we take care of our tongue? We can take care of our tongue by cleaning our tongue with a tongue cleaner before or after brushing our teeth. We should not drink or eat anything which is very hot or too cold. It is harmful for our teeth. Rinse your mouth after every meal. In this way, by following these three rules or these three methods, you can take care of your tongue. Our last sense organ is skin, and it is also called as or also referred as our large sense organs. The skin is outer covering of our body and the largest sense organs. It contains several nerve endings which help us in detecting pain, heat, pressure, etc. It also protects our internal organs. So it is main function of skin is it protects our internal organs and it give a sense of anything if any part hot, cold or anything is touched by our skin. So how can we take care of our skin? We should take bath every day and keep our body clean. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated. Do not wear clothes worn by others. Means after washing only you should wear any clothes. Use sunscreen lotion to protect skin from harmful rays of the sun. So these are the ways and we can follow to protect our skin. What? We should take bath every day. We should drink plenty of water to keep our skin hydrated. We should not wear clothes worn by others. You can wear only after cleaning it. And we should use sunscreen lotion to protect skin from harmful rays of the sun. That's all. So children, today it is end of chapter 4. In next video I will with you with objective questions or assignment part only. Thank you. Enjoy your day and study also. Okay. Thank you children.